Lifetime Products fold-in half tables are the perfect addition to your next barbecue, meeting, or family get-together. If you have questions on how to properly fold and unfold your table, we've addressed a few tips and instructions for you. Lifetime fold-in half tables have two folding mechanisms, a locking clip and an automatic locking system. To unfold a Lifetime fold-in half table with locking clip, locate the molded hand slot where the ends of the table are and pull the table open. Because of the durable design to keep the table securely closed, it may require a little extra pressure to open. Find the red tap clip at the center edge of the table and push it to the indicated lock position. Set each leg so they are straight and make sure the steel rings slide into place before setting the table upright. To fold the table when not in use, set the table on its side and slide the steel rings away from the leg hinges. Fold in one leg at a time. If the leg doesn't fold with a simple push, place a small amount of pressure on the hinge with your hand and it will fold easily. Unlock the clip by pushing to the indicated unlock position and close the table, making sure it's tightly secured. Now you can carry it to storage with easy carry handles on the side. To unfold the Lifetime self-locking fold-in half table, rest the table on its side with the handles facing up and unfold. When opening both legs, the unique fixed position of the center bar will automatically lock the pin, keeping the table open. Unfold the second set of legs and set the table upright. When it comes time to fold the table after use, simply fold the legs inward once more. By folding in the legs, the pin in the center automatically releases and you can fold the table in half to store it away. So whether it's an outdoor work table or you just need a little extra space around the house, with the innovative designs of Lifetime fold-in half tables, you'll love the convenience and quality that make your events even simpler.